Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today we're working on some memory decks. Yes, and of course it's Halloween themed. Well, I'm participating in two memory decks challenges. So right now I'm working on one is for Steffany at Steffany Crafts here on YouTube, and one is for Deanna. It is Crafty Crafts by Deanna here also on YouTube. So right now I got my memory decks card I just made out of chipboard from my cereal box, and then I sewed around the edge, the top edge for my shaker. So I'm making a shaker, and I just added some fun colors underneath there. And the mesh or the tool, whatever this is I'm using, is from Dollar Tree. It's a black with some gold spider webs. I want to add some black spider webs from Dollar Tree, just like that, and add it to the shaker. Probably just 4. Hopefully this works out better than my glue gun attempt at shakers. Now that I've got my sewing machine hooked up. It has my gold thread in it still, so I'm still just going with the gold thread for now. Oh, I thought I had some spiders, but I guess, oh yeah, here they are. The red spiders from Dollar Tree. It's cute. Just put it all in there. Can't really see a lot of this because of the spider webs, but once you get it shook up and everything, it'll be fine. Maybe some. I got these from Emily. And now that I remember, now that I remember it's in my stash, I should use it. Let's throw in some white and get the white, brighten it up in there just to get more contrast in the shaker. There we go. Whoops. And then what I'll do is just sew across the bottom. Okay, before I stitch it on here, I just cut a strip, probably about 1 inch wide, off of that paper, and I think I want to, like, let's see, fold it one more time, and just make a paper ruffle down here on the bottom. We'll see how that goes. Alright, that's my quick way of getting an accordion fold. Really easy. Fold it on itself, and then you fold it in the way you want it. Alright. We'll just take our chance with that. We'll go with that. Let me get this through the sewing machine. Okay, here we go, guys. So, I just stitched it down, but I put the stitching closer to the bottom of the ruffle, and that way this can come up a little bit and give you some texture. And there is our shaker. It's got the words in it. It's got boo. Got the ghosts. Got the spiders. And there's going to be a few that get hung up on the tool because there's, you know, all kinds of good stuff going on at one time. Alright, and now we're going to, I like leaving my gold thread just hanging. I'm going to trim around my border, and that way I have a more clean look. As clean as I can get it possibly. Okay, don't want to cut my threads. So there we go. Just like that. Okay. I like that. Oh, it's so fun. La 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 la. Alright. So now that I've made this one, I don't even know if I want to use this. Let's see. Okay, I could probably use this right here. And then add on top of that. Okay. I think we're going to go right there. So you remember how I colored my spider in my previous projects gold? I couldn't find these, and now I found them. So here they are. I want to add my spider. You know what? I'm going to pop you up. Pop it up. Pop you up. So these are some really old foam tapes. And let's see if I can add it. And I'll just add it to his butt. This is a good thick one. This is thicker than Dollar Tree. And it's going to give me some good height. Yes. going to leave that baby there. There we go. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, so I got something in the middle. Let's grab one of these baddies. Baddy. Let's cover my staples. Like that. That was cute. Alright, go with it. Yes. Okay. There we go. Yep, it's going there. What's going on? Right there. Okay. We got this one done. It's a shaker. Maybe trim off a little bit of the threads. Just a little. I still like the threads on there. Right? And just like that, we're done with this one. I don't have to even cut the spider webs off because it's okay. Alright, and then I'm going to cover the back of this with my info later. Okay. And I'll use the black for the colorful. Yes. Why not? So I don't mind leaving the bottom plain. That's a lot. Let's cut this. Okay. So I'm going to leave this open, and I'll sew the sides here and leave the bottom open, and then I can put my sequins in, so I'll be back. Okay, so I filled my shaker up, and I'm going to trim around and get the tool nice and neat. Okay. Get rid of that. Let's trim some of this thread. And now I'm going to glue my lace trim. I can get this on here a little straight. There we go. A little at a time. Okay, that's it. Okay. Maybe some yellow or green. 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 That actually looks good. To me. To me it looks good. Good enough for me. Covers up the ends. Okay. We're gonna go with that. I'm gonna add my pumpkin. But I think I want to put him behind my lace. And put a little scaredy cat. Something like that. And like this. Okay. Get it down, I mean. Okay, guys. There is my little shaker number 2. So cute. This one I put some of the glitter shapes. Anyway, I put some of the glitter shapes, whatever they're called. I call them confetti. I put the diamond, I put the green stars, the stuff I hauled from yesterday from my Michael's visit. So there's my pumpkin shaker. And I just have my printouts again, and I'm going to cut it out. Nothing's changed, all the same, and I'm going to put this on the back. Cover this actually with some paper, Halloween paper, and then I'll put this on the back. Okay guys, so I finished my 2 Memory Decks cards. So I made a purple, which is my favorite. It's my favorite color. I got a little bit of the Dollar Tree tulle with the spider webs. I got Dollar Tree confetti. I got the Dollar Tree foam stickers here. There's the word boo. I got some of that paper in the background, like a ruffle, but yeah. And then I got the spider web, the black spider web from Tuesday Morning. And then this little spider from Walmart, like last year. And then I just put my information back here, but I decorate it with some of the stickers that I got from Diane from Crafting with Fury. And this is my second one with the orange and the spiders again. I used once again the Dollar Tree confetti, the Dollar Tree foam sticker, and then these stickers here came from Dollar General last year, and then I just added the bling to the eyes. So this one has green, black, and then the diamond gems. I added the lace trim, and I got that. I believe it's from Emily from Time for Books. And then the rickrack, the green rickrack, is from Kat from Lolly Thimble. So yes guys, I am using all the gifts that have been given to me from the lovely ladies here on YouTube. So they are being used. And then I used some more of the foam stickers from Diane from Crafting with Fury. I love them. Look at these little stars and the bats. Very cute. So that is what I got for my Memory Decks challenges. One is going to Steffany from Steffany Crafts here on YouTube. And then the other is going to Deanna from Crafty Crafts by Deanna on YouTube. Alright, thanks for joining me guys. Please give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and join the family. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Bye guys.